Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use Music Equalizer on the Jabra Elite 2 earbuds. So first of all, you have to simply get this Jabra Sound Plus application, and when you are connected you can find the Music Equalizer. Here with these dots you can simply adjust the currently preset of the equalizer, as you can see, and here we can find default presets. If you want to create your own, you have to click on the plus, and here you can adjust this preset, and then you have to click save. Next we have to give it name, click save, and it appears right here. When you go for this six default presets, you cannot get rid of them. But when you create the custom, you can do this, as you can see. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.